If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass High Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, satin granite badging, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6232.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.